Guys, welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, I just want to show you how I fixed a new bug that was introduced with this latest version. It got just released today and it's the 1.15.6 version. And the new feature that got introduced was terminal sandboxing, that too for Mac OS users. After updating to this newer version in Antigravity, I was not able to use this browser. If I click on this browser, nothing happened. If I asked it to open my browser, it was not able to open the browser. So as you can see, when I tried to open the browser, it was having this issue: failed to create browser context, failed to install a Playwright. The home environment variable is not set. So this is the main issue. So all you have to do is set this variable correctly. So if you are not technical, don't worry, you can just ask Gemini 3 Flash. You can use Gemini to fix it for you. It will fix the issue, and once the issue is fixed, you just need to restart the system. So the initial problem was the browser tools, it using Playwright software. It was crashing because they were like homeless on the same Windows system. The browser engine looked for a specific setting called the home variable. It uses the home folder to store it, maps, settings, and startup files. If that setting is missing, the browser gets confused, gives up, and crashes instantly. So the fix we did is we simply gave the browser a home address by running a quick command in the terminal. We told Windows, hey, whenever a program asks for home, point them to my user folder. The simple instruction was open your terminal and paste this command. Replace your name with your PC's username and restart your computer. That's it. Other than that, there is nothing more to it. If you don't know how to do this, ask AI to do it for you. Just give terminal access, it will fix everything for you, and only after restarting this will take effect. And after doing this, and if you click on this Chrome browser, it will open up quickly. As you can see, the browser opens just like that. So you don't have to wait for their next update. You can fix it yourself without wasting any time. I hope this was helpful. And I have also fixed the issue where if you go to your MCP server settings, there is a limit to the maximum number of browsers MCP tools that you can use. As you can see, it only allows you to use 100 tools, right? Here if you see, I have like more than 100. I think I have around 180 tools in total. I used Docker for this. If you want to know how to do this so that you can do more with your anti-gravity setup, let me know in the comments. Since this is not related to that video, I'm going into that section. So I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please do share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day. Click that thumb